In this video, I will explain you how you can join Zoom meeting. You just have to open the Zoom app and then you have to click on join a meeting, and then you have to enter the meeting ID. You will get meeting ID from the person who create the meeting, and here you have to enter your name, and then two options are given to you. Suppose you don't want to connect with your audio, then you have to turn on this button. Suppose you also don't want to connect with the video, then you have to turn on this button as well. And then you have to click on join meeting. Now it is asking the meeting password from you. You will get this password from the person who create the meeting. Now I entered the password. Now I finally connected from the screen. Now we have to click on joint audio, and then we have to click on call via the audio.
Assalamu alaikum to everyone. Good afternoon. Let's start.
Suppose you want to leave it, then you have to click on leave option and click on leave meeting. This is all about how you can use Zoom Cloud Meeting app. In this way, you can join video meeting via Zoom app.